Watch as the sharp knife glides smoothly through the fresh cut of meat with clean, precise slices. Every motion is controlled, satisfying, and expertly done, highlighting the texture and quality of the meat. It's a simple process, but incredibly satisfying to watch. There's something incredibly satisfying about a razor-sharp knife slicing cleanly through fresh meat. Smooth cuts, perfect precision, and every slice looks effortless. Watch until the end. You won't want to look away. Precision. Control. Every slice is smooth, clean, and satisfying. A sharp knife, quality meat, and expert technique come together in a simple yet mesmerizing cutting experience.